In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Asus laptop keeps shutting down. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, if they're facing known power state conflicts with Windows 11, that could be very annoying. So if your laptop is shutting down without warning, it's likely either a thermal safety trigger or a bug in a control interface, regardless of whichever laptop you have. Now, laptops have a dedicated chip that manages power. If this chip gets glitched, the laptop is going to shut down to protect itself. So what you want to do is unplug the power adapter and all USB devices. Then press and hold the power button for a full 40 seconds. The lights may blink, but just ignore them and keep holding. Then plug the power back in and turn the laptop on. This is going to force the power chip to rescan all the hardware sensors. What you could also do is search the control panel and then go over to hardware and sound. So if I just went ahead and typed in control panel right here, then over here, go over to hardware and sound. And then once you found it, go to power options and then choose what the power buttons do on the left. Then click change settings that aren't currently available at the top. Uncheck the box for turn on fast startup and then click save changes and restart. Once you do that, you should be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and also be sure to check out our other tutorials on the channel as well.